Hi there, I'm going to be signing into my authenticated MISD Zoom account using the Zoom app on my iPad. So here I have launched my Zoom app, and as you can see, I'm not signed in because at the bottom it asks, or I have the option to sign up or to sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and click the sign in button. It will bring up this window. I'm going to ignore the email address and password fields, and down at the bottom, I'm going to choose to sign in with Google. It's really important that we sign in with Google every time we log in, whether on a computer, a phone, or an iPad, because we are logging in through Google to Zoom. So I'm going to go sign in with Google. It's going to ask if I want to use zoom.us. I'm going to go ahead and hit continue, and then it will bring up this Google window for me to choose the Gmail account that I want to use. And of course, I want to use my MISD 400 account. So I'm going to click that one, and I'm going to log in using my normal Google credentials. It sent me right in because I have signed in on this iPad before with ChompGator. So it sent me right in, but you may have to enter in your password, which is no big deal. But once you're logged in to this app on your iPad, you should remain logged in. And you can always check when you pull up your Zoom app, you can always check that you are logged into your authenticated MISD account by just clicking settings in the bottom left corner and looking and seeing, yep, at misd400.org is the account I'm using. So this is how to check on your iPad to sign in and check that you're signed in to your authenticated